going to be learning how to set a custom ringtone sound on a Samsung phone.
And this is part 2 of our Samsung notification and ringtone sounds. We did our part 1 a little bit ago. It was how to set your notification sound, which is like your text sound, as a custom sound. Now we're doing like the ringtone.
So let's get into it. So just like in the other video, you're going to want to first go to Chrome and go to zedge.net and search whatever you would like.
And this video is not at all sponsored or anything with Zedge. Zedge is not paying us for this. They did not ask us to do this.
Neither did Samsung.
Yeah, neither did Samsung. This is just something that we're doing.
So, I chose this sound right here.
And you can search through, there's a lot of cool sounds on here. A lot of funny ones, memes, all sorts of stuff.
So once you find what you want, you are going to want to click on it and click download free. And again, it's going to give you a bunch of ads and say preparing your download. It's really not preparing your download, it's just showing you ads.
Don't click open.
Yes, don't click open, it's probably a scam.
Or just don't click on the ad because you don't know what it is.
So now, once it is downloaded, so now you are going to want to open Settings app, go to Sounds and Vibration, and Ringtone, and then you're going to click the plus button, and it should be the first thing at the top. So it comes up, and you're just going to click. Confirm that it's the right thing, and click Done. And there you go, custom ringtone.
Yeah. Okay, that was pretty darn easy. And this should work on any Samsung phone. We're doing this on a new one, but it should work on any Samsung phone out there. And yeah, that's it. If you haven't already watched the part 1, which is the text notification sound, go do that. Please like and subscribe because we really need the likes and the subscribes. So, yeah, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one.